Welcome guys, today we're going to be looking at how we can make this 3D roof on a 3D house. So we're going to be making this roof today. So let's get started. Alright, so in order to make our roof, we're going to go here on home and we're going to go where it says layers over here. Here on layers, I'm going to select this 3D roof. I'm going to select a green color. I'll go there on green. Then here where it says realistic, I'll change this to 2D wireframe. Once I'm done with this, I'll go on polyline and I'll trace the top part where I'm going to place my roof with a polyline. So trace the entire top part with a polyline. Okay. Going to press a polyline, make a polyline. Go in this other side and I'll go on escape. So here we have made a polyline here on top. So I'm going to offset this polyline at a distance of 500. So I'll go on offset and I'll type 500 millimeters and I'll select this and I'll set outwards and I'll go on escape. So once I'm done with this, I'll go here where it says custom view and I'll go on back. So here, this is where now we are going to start making our fascia board. So we're going to begin making our fascia board. So here, I'm just going to go here on copy and I'm going to select this and I'll press on enter and I'll select here and I'll copy it up at a distance of 500 millimeters and I'll press on enter. Then I'll go on escape and I'll select this line here and I'll go on isolate and I'll hide this line. Once I'm done with this, I will go here on polyline and I'll make a line going this side at a distance of 100, going up 100, going this side 100. I'll press on enter, I'll go on escape, I'll press on enter for the previous command and I'll select and I'll make a line here coming down 100 again, press on enter, going this side with a distance of 100. I'll press on enter, coming down 100, I'll press on enter, then I'll go on escape and here go here, then here we should choose this one where it says start in direction. This is the arc we're going to use and this is going to be my start point, then this is going to be the end point. So and I'll go there on top like that. So this is how this is how we make the fascia board. So let's finish up. So here I'll select it with this like that and I'll press J for join. I'll press on enter, then I'll select this, I'll delete that part, then I'll go on polyline, make a polyline going up 100, I'll press on enter, go in this side 100, I'll press on enter, then going up to there, then I'll go on escape and I'll select this and I'll go on join and I'll go on enter. So this here we have joined this. Now what is remaining, we're going to offset and I'll offset at a distance of 100. I'll press enter, select this and I'll offset this side I'll go on escape. Then here I'll go on polyline. I'll make a polyline here. Down there, I'll press on enter. I'll press on enter again, and I'll make a polyline here like that. I'll press on enter. Then I'll select this. I'll press J for join. I'll go on enter. Then this is joined. Once I'm done with this, I'll go here on surface, and I'll go on sweep. I'll press on enter. And then I'm going to select this, and I'll press on enter like that, and I'm going to select the path as this. So I'll select this line like that. So, and we have made a feature board here on top. So once I'm done, I'll go here on 2D wireframe, and I'll go to realistic, and I'll go on orbit here. So here I'll orbit like that. So this is how you can make your feature board. So once I'm done with this feature board, I'm going to start making my roof now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go where it says isolate. So I'm going to hide this object. So once I'm done, I'm going to go here on orbit. I'm going to orbit like that. Then I'm going to go on escape. So this is where I'm going to make my roof. So my roof is going to start from here. So I'll go on home, and I'll go on extrude, and I'll select this, and I'll press on enter, and I'll type T for taper angle, and I'll go on enter, and I'll enter a taper angle of 45, and I'll press on enter. So here you can enter a distance. I'll enter a distance of 2000. I'll go on enter like that. So here, once I'm done with this, I'll go here on orbit. Then here I am going to go on escape first, and I'll go here where it says no filter, and I'm going to go on face. So here I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go on extrude faces. I'll select this face, I'll press enter. I'll select that part going up there, I'll press enter like that. I'll go out, and I'll go on escape. So here, once I'm done with this, I'm going to orbit. I'll go on escape, and I'll try to orbit around here. So I'll go on orbit just to see what is being made here. So here I will need to extrude this part again. So here I'll go on here, and I'll go on face, and here I'll go on extrude face. Then I'll select this part, I'll press on enter, and I'll select this part down here. Going up 45, I'll press enter like that, and I'll go on escape. Then here we still have to extrude this part, so I'm going to do the same thing again. So here I'm going to go here, and I'll go on extrude faces. I'm going to select this part, I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to go here, and I will go there on top, going up like that. With this another 45, I'll press enter, press enter, press enter. Just orbit like that. So here we will continue extruding this face until we make a tip there on top like that. So there, we're almost there. Then I'll go on enter again, press enter. Then we have this smaller part now. So I'll select this, go on extrude face, select the face, press on enter. Then here select this, going up there, press on enter like that. Go on escape, go on. So we have this part here. Go on extrude this face, select this face, press enter, select there the going up like that, 45, press enter, then press enter, press enter, press enter. Then here we have this face. So you can just go there again, go on extrude face, select this face, press on enter, select this part going up like that, press on enter like that, then go on escape, select this face again, extrude faces, select this face, press on enter, then specify the height, like that, go on escape. So that is enough. Just zoom out so we can continue. Now let's finish up with our roof. So here, once I'm done with this, I'm going to go on escape, and I'm going to select this roof, and I'm going to go on isolate, and I'm going to go where it says isolate objects. Then I'll go on orbit. Here I'll orbit down here like that. So I'm going to make a shell down here. So here I'll select this part and I'll go on face. So once I've selected the face, I can go here on shell, select this shell, then select this part, select it again, then press on enter, then enter a shell offset of about 100. I'll enter a shell offset of about 100 and I'll go on enter, and here you can see you have made your shell. So I'll press on enter again to exit. So here we have made our shell down here. You can see we can orbit. This is a shell that we have made down there. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to add some material to the roof. So I can go here and I can go where it says end object isolation, and I'll bring back the things that I isolated. We have our house here back, then here you can orbit around, you can see everything is back. So now here we are going to select, we're going to go first, I'll go on escape, then I'm going to go here on visualize. So here on visualize, we're going to go on the material browser and we are going to go on roofing. So here we're going to use this Autodesk library and we are going to go on roofing. This flooring, where is my roofing? This is my roofing over here. So once I'm here, I can select any type. So I'll go with this one. I'll go here on the arrow on top and I'll select my roof here and I'll click there. So here we have added our material to the roof. So once I'm done with this, I can close this. I'll try to orbit. I'll go here and I'll orbit like that. So here, this color, I don't like this color. I'll go to the material browser again, and this time I'm going to go with wall paint. And I'm going to select a color here. Okay, I'll go with this one, then I'll go there to the top, and I'll select this and select there. Go on OK, and here we have added a color. We have changed this color, so I'll go there on close, and I'm going to zoom in. I'll select this line here, and I'll delete that line. Okay, then I'll go here on hide this object, and I'll try to remove this green color. This green color, I'll select this and I'll delete that, and I'll select this here and I'll delete. Then I'll go here and I'll go on end object isolation like that. I'll go on orbit. Okay, so this is how you can make your roof. This is how you can make your 3D roof on a house. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.